Daniel Tiger's neighborhood. Daniel's first fireworks. Hi, I'm Werner. I've been reading hundreds of books for you. Please subscribe so you get them all. Thank you. It was almost night time in the neighborhood of make-believe, and Daniel and his family were having a picnic dinner in the backyard, so they could see the fireworks. Daniel had never seen fireworks before. Daniel brought a picnic basket over to the blanket and sat down next to Mum. "What's in the picnic basket?" asked Mum Tiger. "Picnic stuff," said Daniel, "like plates, cups, napkins, food, and Tigey." Daniel pulled Tigey out of the picnic basket and hugged him close. "Tigey wants to see the fireworks too." "Well, it's not quite time for dinner or fireworks," said Mum. "Why don't you and Margaret play?" "Okay," said Daniel. "Come on, Margaret, let's play." "Come back here, Margaret," Daniel called out as a giggling Margaret toddled around the backyard. Daniel and Margaret were having so much fun. They didn't even notice that it was getting darker, until suddenly they saw something new floating around them. "Look, Margaret, I see fireflies," Daniel exclaimed, pointing to the little flickering lights. "See how they light up? Let's say hi to the fireflies." But Margaret didn't want to say hi to the fireflies. Margaret didn't know what they were. "Margaret, come back," said Daniel, as Margaret toddled to Mum Tiger. "The fireflies are nice. They won't hurt you." Daniel followed Margaret back to the picnic blanket. "Why doesn't Margaret like the fireflies?" he asked Mum. "Well, Margaret has never seen a firefly before. To her they are new, and new things can be scary sometimes." "Can I help her?" asked Daniel. "Yes, I think you can," said Mum. "When something is new, holding a hand can help you." "When something is new, holding a hand can help you," sang Daniel, as he took Margaret's hand. "Come on, Margaret, I'll hold your hand, and we can look at the fireflies together." Daniel and Margaret held hands and walked back to the fireflies. "Look at how the fireflies light up," said Daniel. "It's like they are twinkling and saying hi." Margaret looked at Daniel, and she looked at the fireflies. "Hi, hi," she giggled. "Margaret isn't as scared anymore," said Daniel happily. Watching the fireflies gave Daniel an idea. Daniel imagined that he was a firefly, dancing with his firefly friends. "Daniel, Margaret," called Mum, "come over to the picnic blanket for dinner." Daniel helped to take Margaret to the blanket, where Dad was serving sandwiches, carrots and grapes. Picnic food is tiger-tastic," said Daniel. "It does taste better outside, doesn't it?" said Dad. Suddenly Daniel heard a loud noise. Boom, boom, boom. "What is that noise?" asked Daniel. Daniel was scared. "Those are fireworks," said Dad. "See, up in the sky?" "Look how pretty they are," said Mum. "They are kind of like fireflies." "But they're really loud," said Daniel nervously. "Fireworks are loud," said Dad, "but that's just the noise they make." All of a sudden Daniel felt a small hand holding his. It was Margaret. "Fireworks are new for you and Margaret. Maybe you can help each other," said Mum. "When something is new, holding a hand can help you," Daniel sang as he squeezed Margaret's hand. "Come on, my fussy guy," said Dad. "Hold my hand too, and let's go get a better look at the fireworks. You might like them when you see how pretty they are." "Okay," said Daniel, "but I want to keep holding Margaret's hand too." Boom, boom, boom. The fireworks were very loud, but Daniel squeezed Margaret's hand and Margaret squeezed Daniel's hand right back. Daniel, Margaret, Mum and Dad watched as the fireworks lit up the sky with sparkly bright colors, and Daniel and Margaret liked them. Sometimes new things can be scary, but just remember, when something is new, holding a hand can help you. Aga maga. Did you like this book? Please subscribe if you haven't already, so you get all the other stories as well. Thank you. Enjoy my new series Oliver and Jumpy. 19 video books with about 500 pictures. There's text, but I also read it aloud for the younger children. I have written 65 stories and had them illustrated at great cost for your children's fun. Oliver is an elegant tomcat and Jumpy is his lady friend. Oliver loves to ride in Jumpy's pouch when they go for adventures together. Please find a link to the first book in the description of this video. Please always subscribe and like if you find my effort interesting. Thank you so much.